Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 7, and that we are going to see objective type questions. So here this is 51 square. That means you are going to multiply 51 into 51. So that is going to be 2601. Now here that is the root of, this is a mixed fraction. So what you are going to do first, you will write the improper one first. That will be 49 multiplied by 2, that is going to be 98. 98 plus 2, that will be 100 divided by 49. So here what you can see, this also is a perfect square and this also is a perfect square. So we can write here root of 100 divided by root of 49, that is going to be 10 by 7. So this 10 by 7, this is an improper one. So we'll make it to mixed one. So that will be 10 divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7. So the remainder is 3. So that is going to be one integer, 3 by 7. So because it is in the form of the filling pattern, we can write it directly. One integer, 3 by 7. So now here they said you have to, these are the numbers given and is the square of. So what will you do? You are going to count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is going to be, when you add this is 9. 9 square will be 81. So you're going to write that is the square of 9. So when you add, you can see that is 81. So now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So you know the formula for a square minus b square, that is a minus b and a plus b. So a here is 19 and b is 18. This is 19 minus 18 and here will be 19 plus 18. So 19 minus 18 means 1 and this is going to be 30. When you add this is going to be 37. So this here when you multiply, so you get 1 into 37 and which is going to be 37 is the answer. Now this is easy, root of 144. So that is a perfect square, that is going to be 12. Again here the next one, root of 9 square will be 81 and 12 square is going to be 144. So this is going to be 144 and 81. So that is going to be 225. So root of 225 and which is going to be 15 because 15 into 15 is going to be 225. So here you will write 15. Find a number which is a perfect square greater than 200 and less than 300. The unit digit of its square root is 7. So it should be greater than 200 and less than 300. So in between this, the number which is going to be, that is will be 289. You can check. Because if you are taking 15 square, that is going to be, even 225 is a perfect square, but the unit digit is not 7. If you take 16 square, that is going to be, unit digit is going to be 6. 6 6 are 36 because 16 6 are. So 256. So this will be, if you are taking 17 square, so that is going to be 289. So the unit digit is 7. So here the number should be 289. Now here you have to find that is the square of the largest one digit prime number. So you know the prime numbers. So the largest is going to be, because 7, it should be one digit. So 7 square, 8 square, this is going to be, so 7 is the prime number, 8 is not a prime number, 9 is not a prime number. So that is going to be, they said, is the square of the largest one digit prime number. So which one will be there? If you take the square of 7 square, that is going to be 49. So here you are going to write here 49. The square of the number, this has how many digits? So these are 6 digits. So square of that is going to have 3. Now look at here, the 10th digit of the square root of 2601. The square root of 2601 we have seen in the first question, that is 51. So this is the ones place and this is the tens place. So 10th digit is going to be 5. Now here 2 square plus 3 square plus dash square is 7 square. So 2 square is going to be 4. 9 square will be 9. So suppose we are going to take x, we are going to consider this blank as x and square of it, and that is going to be 49. So this is going to be 13 plus x square is 49. So x square will be 49 minus 13. So x square is going to be 36. So we don't want this one, so just we want the x. So if we square both the sides, we just want x. So x will be 6. So here you should write 6. Now let us solve the next one, because it is root of 144 plus root of 625. So first we are going to solve the inner root. We'll keep 144 as it is, and root of 625 is going to be 25. 25 multiplied by 25 is 625. So when you add this one, both of them, that is going to be 144 and 25. So that is going to be 169. So root of 169, and that is going to be 13. 13 multiplied by 13 is 169. So answer is 13. Now here root of 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square. So this is going to be 9 plus 16 plus 144. So when you add this one, so this is going to be 25 plus 144. So that is going to be root of 169, and root of 169, that is 13. So here we should write here 13. So this was a small exercise. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.